Hi, today I'm going to make these very pretty Christmas decorations. Very easy to make. With different designs. Materials I'm using are diamond shaped mirrors, a cord. I'm taking golden color, you can take any. This is glitter in gold and blue color, and this is a styrofoam ball. You can take any size that you like, and glitter also, any color. Now on this ball, I'm just going to mark a center point on both sides. So I have put one here, and another one would be right opposite here. And I have this line, it's like dividing the ball in two. So I have this line running all around. So now you just take the golden cord and take enough just to make a loop, slightly bigger than that. Just tie a knot. Like this. Now just take a wire of any kind, slightly thick, and punch a hole on one of the dots. Just sort of wiggle it around, make it slightly big. Now fill this with glue. And put this knot right on top of that hole and push it with this wire inside the thermocol ball. Like this. So since this is a slightly big knot, it's taking a little while in going in. Like so. And now again, I'll just fill this area with glue. So it becomes sturdy and you can hang it like this. Now I'm going to stick these mirrors on the wall. So you can make any design, stars or just lines or anything. So I'm just going to start with the top first. So just apply some glue. like this, and then I'm going to make a line on the center, so just apply glue like this. Like so. So I'll continue making this around the whole ball. So this is how it will look. I have increased the star design and the strip all around and at the base also. So now I'm just going to cover this in two colors, one side blue and one side golden. So first just start applying glue. I'll do section by section. It's not takes a little time to do all this. So you have to apply glue in all of these crevices. And just take a brush or anything with a pointed end and just spread the glue in all of these gaps. And then get slightly messy and use your finger to coat the ball. So I'll just spread newspaper, otherwise the glitter will go all over the place. And then just take the glitter and drop it on this. So the extra will just fall. Just let it stick for a while. So it will cover like this. So this way I am going to cover the entire one area of this ball. So this is how it will look after the whole ball is covered. So I'll just let it dry, but before that, like you can just brush the glitter off the mirror using a brush. Like this, and then just turn it over, tap a bit to get the excess off. Oops, sorry. And now I'll just leave it to dry. So this is how it will look after it has dried. Now I'll put golden colored glitter on this side. So it's the same way, just When you hold it, try to hold on to the glass and not to the glitter area. And then just in the same way. So this is how it will look after it's finished. So now I'm going to put golden glitter on this side of the bottom side of the ball. So just apply some glue in the same way. So I'll just apply a little bit first just to show. Then again with the messy bit, their finger. So now when you put the golden glitter, hold the ball like this so that it doesn't fall here on the blue area. Like so. Then again just tap off the extra. So in the same way I'll do the whole ball like this. And this is how it's going to look after I've finished it. A very pretty Christmas decoration. And I made others in the same way. This one has stars on it. So you can put any design that you like and make it.